Have you ever felt like there's a hidden wellspring of power just beyond your grasp? A reservoir of untapped potential waiting to be unleashed? Throughout history, whispers of a practice that unlocks this potential have echoed across cultures and religions known as semen retention. But before we proceed, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates on health and well-being. Today we're exploring this intriguing idea. Can sexual energy conservation change your life? From creating a strong body to refining your mind and deepening your spiritual connection, the rewards seem too good to be true. Are these allegations true? More significantly, should you try semen retention? Let's explore this old practice's mysteries. Imagine a world where your body is a well-tuned machine, your intellect is laser-focused, and your spirit is connected to a higher energy. Fantastic, right? These are some benefits of semen retention. Before we examine the claims, let's go through history. Recall the dawn of civilization. Egyptians believed semen contained life. Male seed, considered essential for the afterlife, was preserved in their complex burial ceremonies. The East's Taoist monks used sexual energy for life and spiritual progress through internal transformation. Though different, these ancient religions believe in the transformational power of preserved sexual energy. Even the Bible mentions wasting one's seed, suggesting sexual energy should be conserved. This may resonate with you, or you may be drawn to this practice for other reasons. Exactly what is semen retention? It means not ejaculating. It's not necessary to give up intimacy or pleasure. Tantric rituals that create sexual energy without release are explored by certain practitioners. Conserved energy can be transmuted to fuel other parts of us. Take it like a battery. You feel exhausted when you deplete your energy. However, conserving it can boost your mind, body, and soul in ways you never imagined possible. Now, let's talk about the potential benefits. Proponents of semen retention claim a whole list of advantages, each with the potential to transform your life. Unleashing your potential has never been more intriguing. Semen retention, a practice shrouded in mystery for centuries, offers a path to unlocking hidden reserves within you. But what exactly are these benefits? Let's discuss 4 key areas where semen retention is said to hold transformative power. 1. Physical powerhouse. Imagine yourself in the gym, a newfound fire burning in your core. Proponents of semen retention claim that conserving sexual energy leads to increased testosterone levels, the king of muscle-building hormones. This could translate to faster muscle building, enhanced strength allowing you to lift heavier, and boosted stamina for longer, more resilient workouts. Think of it this way: ejaculation releases a potent cocktail of hormones and vital nutrients. By conserving this energy, you're essentially giving your body more fuel to build a stronger, more resilient physical machine. 2. Sharpen mind. Imagine conquering a presentation with laser-sharp focus. Semen retention is believed to enhance cognitive function in several ways. It could lead to improved focus, eliminating mental clutter and allowing you to delve deeper into work or studies. Enhanced memory consolidation means retaining information faster and more effectively. Boosted creativity could unlock your inner innovator, enhancing problem-solving skills and opening your mind to new ideas. Think of your brain as a high-powered computer. By conserving sexual energy, you're essentially providing it with more resources to operate at peak performance. 3. Emotional balance. Imagine navigating life's challenges with a sense of calm and confidence. Semen retention is believed to have a positive impact on emotional well-being. Increased self-control could help you resist temptations and manage emotions effectively. Greater confidence allows you to project self-assuredness and tackle challenges with unwavering determination. A stronger sense of purpose could ignite a fire within, propelling you towards a life filled with meaning. Imagine your emotions as a powerful ocean. When your energy is constantly depleted, it can be difficult to maintain emotional stability. By conserving this energy, you're essentially giving yourself the tools to navigate life's waves with greater calm, control, and clarity. 4. Spiritual connection. This benefit carries deeper meaning for those with spiritual beliefs. Semen retention is said to enhance your connection to something larger than yourself. Deeper meditation experiences could lead to a more profound state of inner peace and mindfulness. Heightened intuition could allow you to tap into your inner wisdom and make decisions guided by your inner voice. For some traditions, semen retention becomes a way to conserve and transmute energy, fostering a sense of belonging and purpose within the universe. Sounds amazing, right? But before you rush off and join a celibate monastery, let's address the elephant in the room. Is there scientific evidence to back these claims? The truth is, robust scientific research on semen retention is still in its early stages. However, some studies do suggest a link between ejaculation frequency and testosterone levels. This could potentially explain some of the claimed physical benefits. But science isn't the only source of knowledge. Countless individuals throughout history have sworn by the transformative power of semen retention. So, while the jury may still be out on the definitive science, the anecdotal evidence is certainly intriguing. Now, let's talk about the potential downsides. This practice isn't for the faint of heart. Initially, you might experience heightened sexual desire as your body adjusts to this new way of being. Some practitioners report a period of decreased libido, known as a flatline. There could be emotional challenges too, like frustration, irritability, and mood swings. And depending on your social circle, you might face some raised eyebrows or even judgment. So, is semen retention right for you? There's no one-size-fits-all answer. It's a deeply personal decision, one that requires introspection and a willingness to explore the unknown. So, you've weighed the potential benefits and downsides of semen retention. The whispers of increased vitality, sharper focus, and a deeper connection with something larger than yourself resonate with you. You're intrigued by the historical and anecdotal evidence, and a spark of curiosity ignites within. But before diving headfirst, remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. It's a personal odyssey that requires dedication and a willingness to navigate uncharted territory. Know your why. The first step on this journey is introspection. Ask yourself, what truly motivates me to explore semen retention? Are you yearning for the physical prowess of a Spartan warrior, the mental acuity of a scholar, or the spiritual serenity of a monk? Identifying your why is crucial. It will be your guiding light during moments of doubt and the fuel that propels you forward when challenges arise. Embrace the challenges. Let's be honest, semen retention isn't a walk in the park. Initially, your body might throw a mini tantrum as it adjusts to this new way of being. Increased sexual desire is a common experience, a testament to the potent energy you're now conserving. Some practitioners report a period of decreased libido, known as a flatline. Don't be discouraged. This is a temporary phase, and with time, your body will find a new equilibrium. Emotional fluctuations are also par for the course. Frustration, irritability, and mood swings can pop up as you navigate this unfamiliar territory. Remember, these are simply emotions in motion. Acknowledge them, breathe through them, and don't let them derail your journey. Building your support system. The path of semen retention doesn't have to be a solitary one. Seek out a trusted friend, therapist, or even an online community dedicated to the practice. Sharing your experiences, challenges, and triumphs with others who understand your journey can be incredibly empowering. Their insights and support can be a lifeline during rough patches, and their successes can fuel your own motivation. Explore with an open mind. There's no one-size-fits-all approach to semen retention. What works wonders for one person might not be the right fit for you. Embrace this as an opportunity to experiment, to find what resonates with your body and mind. Research different techniques, explore alternative forms of sexual expression like Tantra, and most importantly, listen to your intuition. Your body is a wise teacher. Learn to decipher its messages and adjust your approach accordingly. Ultimately, the decision to practice semen retention is a deeply personal one. There are no guarantees, no magic formulas. But for those who dare to explore the unknown, the potential rewards are vast. It's a chance to tap into a hidden wellspring of energy, to cultivate a sharper mind, a stronger body, and a deeper connection to yourself and the world around you. So, are you ready to embark on this adventure? Remember, the greatest discoveries often lie beyond our comfort zones. Take a leap of faith, embrace the unknown, and see where the path of semen retention might lead you. Thanks for joining us on this exploration. We hope this video has ignited a spark of curiosity within you. If you found this content helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more content on health and well-being. Let us know in the comments below if you have any questions or experiences you'd like to share about semen retention. Until next time, stay curious, stay healthy, and stay empowered to unlock your full potential.